What up guys, here to show you my new Trex 450 Pro. It is my first collective pitch helicopter. I have flown a fun copter, which is fixed pitch 450 size, and just the MSR and some coaxial. So I'm stepping up the game, yo. And then I'm probably not gonna run this FPV, but hey, who knows? I know I'm not gonna do 3D, of course, but you know, let's see how it flies. I'm gonna be honest, I've already flown it 4 times today. The maiden flight was perfect, and you know, everything looks good. So I'm gonna be using a line 40C 2-cell or 3-cell. Okay, let's start her up. Nice conditions to fly today. Perfect. GoPro helmet cam, gyros initialized. I can't really do anything else because there's people. Boom. Let's just show it a little.